Okay, so I'm back after the engraving, and I think it came out fantastic. So not a whole lot of work went into prepping the image. This was basically just done in Image R. And give me just a second, and I will actually show you. Let me do the screen share again, and I will bring up I did a comparison photo in Canva so you could see the two together. So this was the original, how it turned out, or how it started, and I removed that background picture of all their toys in the garage. And then I prepared it in image-r.com, and I engraved it. Took about 11 minutes, and then I cut it out, and I think it turns out pretty good. This is just engraved on Home Depot Columbia Forest product. Birch. Yes, it's birch. I had to think about what it was. It's the ones they sell in the store by the 4x8 sheets. So anyway, this is what I was able to engrave using just the Lightburn image settings, and using image-r.com, and using my Omtech 80-watt laser the way that it is. So this is the end result, and thanks for watching, and I hope this helps somebody. Have a great day.